In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a tax return that was created in TurboTax. So assuming you haven't yet finished and filed it and you're still in the process, you can actually delete everything and start over completely from scratch. So let me show you how to do this. First, you want to sign into your TurboTax account, and then you want to just go to one of these sections over here. So let's say you want to continue with this one. You can just pick off wherever you want. So get into your return. There we go. After you're anywhere here, you want to go to the left hand of your screen over here, and you want to make sure you look for Tax Tools over here where it says Tax Tools. Click on that and then click on Tools. Inside Tools, you will see under Other Helpful Links, it says Clear and Start Over. So you want to click on this, and it's going to say, are you sure you want to clear your return? Clearing your return erases your information and lets you start over. And assuming you actually want to do this, and you are aware you're going to lose all your information, and you will have to put in everything from scratch again, just like you did already, and basically everything will get deleted, you will have to press yes, and after you do this, it's going to start clearing your return. And in just a few seconds, there we go, has been cleared. You want to press continue. And then after a few seconds, it's going to start loading. There we go. And then you're going to be able to start completely from scratch and start over. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.